Hello, this is my progress of my project called Mailbox Notifier. And as a start, I want to tell a little about it. And I want to solve the struggle of not knowing whenever you got mail or not. So this system will be able to tell you that now you got mail. Otherwise, you don't have to worry about if you got it or not. The Mailbox Notifier detects when the mail slot has been open, and it notifies you both by visual and online. And visual is a flag. You can see this red flag on this mailbox. It's the flag is going up when there's mail, and the online notifies SMS to your phone. The requirements: when the slot is open, the flag has to be set, and an SMS is to be sent as well. And when the mail is received, you have taken the mail out of the mailbox, then you would like to reset the system, and you do that with a reboot, so that the flag will go down again, and you can start the system on new again and get an SMS. Some of the challenges I reached so far was setting up this SMS system, where I wanted to send an SMS with the photon. I had to get this phone number from this Twilio, which is a service that can send SMS for you. And I had to create an integration feature in Console Particle as well. The hardware is something that I already ordered and have, and it's a contact. You can see this white contact. It's quite common for alarm systems, for when these two white blocks are separated, then there's an output, and you can detect that with your microcontroller. So normally it's used on doors and windows to detect when they are opened, and I want to implement this in my mailbox, so that when the slot is open, then the microcontroller can detect it. And I also have the servo motor, and I wanted to set the flag that I talked about earlier, so that it only changes the angle on this flag. I have done some testing, and something I have planned to do. I've not done the testing of the servo motor yet, but I'm planning to power it with a battery, because the photon doesn't have enough power to power the servo motor. But I have to connect it to an analog pen, a writable, so that I can use the particle app to set the angle and test how it's working and what angle I'm going to use. And then I already tested the sensor, where I connected it to analog pin and read it with the particle app as well. And I tested it when it was connected and when it was disconnected, to see how it operated. I also done the SMS service, where I was setting up the Twilio account with a phone number, and then created an integration feature on Console Particle. And then I made some test scripts and had some successfully test scripts with both the sensor and SMS. So now I just need the servo motor and the whole system to see if they can work together. This is my GitHub. It's called Stevan/UT, and I have my test scripts in there and also my presentation and brainstorm as well, where you can check it out if you want. That was it.